Ready to turn your Wix website into a money-making machine? First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's dashboard on the left-hand side. Find and click on the Settings option. Scroll down the Settings menu until you see Accept Payments, and give that a click. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see a list of payment providers Wix supports. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and others. Choose the one that best suits your business needs. For this example, let's connect PayPal by clicking the Connect button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to either log into your existing PayPal account or create a new one. Click the Connect Me button to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your PayPal account to your Wix website. This may involve entering your PayPal credentials and granting Wix permission to process payments. Want to offer more options? You can also enable manual payment methods like cash or bank transfers by toggling the switch next to them. Remember to clearly outline the instructions for these methods on your website. Take a look at payment options. Select which cards you want to accept. This helps make it easier for your customers to finalize transactions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled payments on your Wix website. Now you're ready to start accepting online transactions and growing your business.